Welcome back to Gone Tracking. Today we are talking about top 10 DIY solutions to safeguard your tent floor from cot and stretcher feet. Insights from the camping community. This is a must-watch for anyone who loves the great outdoors as much as we do and appreciates the costs of maintaining camping equipment. Are you a fan of our videos? Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of our latest adventures. We're here to make your camping experience even more enjoyable and comfortable. Protecting your tent floor is crucial for a worry-free camping trip. We're about to delve into 10 do-it-yourself solutions that will keep your tent floor safe from cot and stretcher feet damage. Now let's explore some creative DIY ideas that can save your tent floor. These are not just practical solutions, but also a fun way to engage with your camping experience in a whole new light. First up, consider repurposing an old carpet. It's an excellent way to give some extra cushioning to your tent floor while also protecting it from sharp cot and stretcher feet. You can cut it to fit your tent size, and voila, you've got yourself a cozy padded tent floor. Next, we have car rubber mats. These can be easily found in home improvement stores or even online. They're durable, easy to clean, and can provide a solid barrier between your tent floor and cot feet. Another interesting idea is using tennis balls. Simply cut a small slit in the ball or in half for an easy fit, and insert the foot of your cot or stretcher into it. This not only protects your tent floor, but also adds a splash of color to your camping setup while protecting those toes late at night. Now let's talk about mayonnaise bottle lids. These handy little items can be used as makeshift floor protectors. Just place them under the feet of your cot or stretcher, and they'll distribute the weight evenly, preventing any damage to your tent floor. Speaking of floor protectors, you can also use PVC end caps. These are typically used in plumbing but can double up as floor protectors in a pinch. They're sturdy, durable, and can handle a good amount of weight. Interlocking rubber tiles are another great option. They're easy to install, provide excellent cushioning, and can be easily packed away when not in use. If you're looking to add a touch of creativity to your tent, consider using recycled rubber flip-flops. Cut them into pieces and use them as floor protectors. It's an eco-friendly solution that adds a fun and quirky touch to your camping experience. Artificial grass is another innovative solution. It gives your tent a natural feel like you are sleeping outside, and its texture can help to cushion the impact of cot and stretcher feet. These DIY solutions are not just effective, but also fun to try. Remember, camping is all about enjoying the great outdoors. So why not add a dash of creativity to your camping setup? Happy camping! Don't underestimate the power of community wisdom. There's a wealth of knowledge out there in the camping community, so don't hesitate to reach out, share your ideas, and learn from others. Do you have more ideas or a favored method to share? Comment on the video or Facebook post with pictures. Your insights could contribute to an exciting update on this list. Happy camping!